Hi all, this is Android mobile application for displaying the laws or codes or statutes related to the Delaware state of United States of America. So I will show you how to use this Android mobile application so that you can easily use this and make use of the application very quickly. So the page which you are looking right now is a search page. If you have a query or if you want to search for any particular title, so you can enter that title name in this search text box, but it's completely optional, so it's not that you have to enter something and then only you can search. So if you don't want to if you want to bypass it, you have two options. You can directly click on the search. It will pull all the titles which are there in the database for this particular state code. And if you like, you can click on show all titles also. Both things are same. But if you want to search for any particular title, you can write like part or full name of that title and click on the search. So it will pull whatever words are there matching with the given word in the search criteria. So I have written trans and it will display me transportation. So now if I want to see all the details, like there are how many chapters and what sections are there in that particular title, so I can see by browsing through it. So you can see now it has fetched, it has pulled some chapters related to the transportation. So I have many chapters, like I have to go through one by one. I will click on the chapter 1 regulation. So, you can see it has pulled different subchapters related to that chapter. So whatever on page you are right now is will be displayed on this top section, like title transportation, chapter 1 regulation, and then subchapters are given here. So there are so many other subchapters also, so it will display how many records are remaining. If you click on show more sections, it will display you more subchapters. So now there are no records remaining, so that keyword has gone. Now if I want to read through first subchapter, so I'll have to click on that, and then I can see the sections related to that subchapter. So now if I again click on purpose of chapter, it will display me this text. So complete text will not be displayed in first glance. So whatever there is a limitation on the Android mobile application to avoid the crash, so we are pulling a chunk of data so that in the first run it should not display complete data and it should not stop. So that is the reason. If you see this button more details, that means there is more detail for this description. So you can click on more details. It will pull the remaining data in different color for easy understanding of you guys. So again, if you click on more details, it will pull all the other details and that button is removed. That means complete details is fetched. So you can read this one by one, whatever you see, and you can go to next. Now there are same thing, previous button is generated, earlier it was not there. More details, that means some details is again remaining. Now for better navigation, you can see menu is there. This menu is already available. You can see, you can search by titles, you can refresh the same page, you can close this menu, close this application and exit, or go to main page. This is one thing. Another thing is, if you want to jump onto the title, like the transportation title directly, it will let you go back directly on that page. You want to go back to the chapter, this menu will again get back you to that chapters page. You want to see subchapters or sections page, it will this button will let you. So navigation is very simple for user understanding. This is designed keeping user understanding that on any particular page user should not get lost, or he should not get confused what is going on and where he is right now. So where he is right now, he will come to know from this place, like chapter and title is already given, and he is looking at the definitions like this. So if you click on the next, it will automatically pull the next section and detail will be displayed accordingly. This is very simple application, and for the user usability point of view. So we have considered a very naive user or general user, because this is law related content, and this will be only mostly be used by the lawyers or police officers or the people who are related to the law. I think this is very nice app for the user. So this is just one example I have shown. So you can browse through any of the titles or chapters at any point of time from anywhere. So the most and foremost important thing is internet is required, because data is very heavy and it is not possible to store on the mobile device. That is the reason internet is you know very important to use this application, but it's very fast, so don't worry about that. And moreover, this application is, I have created video for the Delaware section, Delaware state, but all the other states in the country, in the United States country, we have same workflow for the other states also. So this video can be considered for the all the other states also, like it will work in the same manner it is working for Delaware, and designed after getting the feedback from many lawyers and police officers also. So even though if you have any suggestion for us, you can write any email to us on the mentioned email ID on the Android mobile application. It is already mentioned, or you can suggest on the, and you can just give the rating also, so that you we can get the motivation. If you have any suggestion, we are really very thankful for your time and the feedback. So happy browsing, happily use this application, and we will be always there for you in case you need any help. Thanks a lot.